Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Associative Arrays section. This is accessing and adding elements. We access the value at given key points by using square brackets. Here we have my array, and we have our associative array here with our key value pairs, panda very cute, lizard cute, cockroach not very cute. If we echo my array and access panda, it's going to print very cute. In the code above, we access the value very cute using its key, panda. To add new elements to an associative array, we use the assignment operator. Here we have my array, capybara is assigned cutest. If we echo my array, capybara, it's going to print cutest. In the code above, we added a fourth key value pair to the array. We accessed the new value cutest using its key, capybara, and printed it using echo. The computer treats code between the square brackets as an expression, so that code will be evaluated before the array is accessed. This enables us to use variables, functions, and operators within the square brackets. Here we have favorites is assigned this associative array with key favorite food, value pizza, key favorite place, value my dreams, key favorite case, value caps, key favorite person, value myself. If we echo favorites and pass in favorite concatenated to this string concatenated to food, prints pizza. Here we have variable key is assigned favorite place. If we echo favorites with favorite place passed in, prints my dreams. Here we have echo favorites. We do string to upper and pass in favorite case. It should do favorite case all capital, which gives us the value caps. Let's access some elements. Our instructions say we provided you with 3 arrays, assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3. These arrays each hold students' grades for a given assignment. 2 key value pairs need to be added. Sarah turned in her second assignment late. She got a 65. Kat's third assignment was briefly misplaced. She got a 97. You should complete this task without changing the code we provided. Let's do that now. And it should be similar to what they did here. We're not going to add anything. We're only going to target our array, create a new key, and assign it a new value. So let's do that. Let's run that. We do pass. 2 says, create a new ordered array named Dan's grades, which holds Dan's grades from each of the 3 assignments. To add these elements to the new array, access them from each of the provided arrays using the key Dan. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass. 3 says, we provided you with the variable student name. Use echo to print the result of accessing assignment 2 with the student name variable. Let's do that now. Run that. And we do pass. Let's see what that printed out. It did print 91, which if we look at assignment 2 and we look up Alex, we do see 91. So what we're learning here, accessing and adding elements, is basically how to add an element to an associative array and how to access those elements. We did learn to add new elements. We use the assignment operator. Remember, the computer treats code between the square brackets as an expression, so that code will be evaluated before the array is accessed. This allows us to use variables, functions, and operators within the square brackets. As long as you guys are understanding that, you guys are getting accessing and adding elements. And I'll see you in the next one.